Hey guys, Doug Caldwell again, Sherwood Park Dodge, standing out front of our collision center body shop. Just want to let you guys know a couple of things. If you watched the tour video, I told you that you don't have to have a Chrysler product, FCA product, in order to come down here. So these guys are all certified by your insurance. They have FCA certified technicians. If you look around, like the way the cars are going nowadays, you're going to run into a lot more electronics. So they've got all the things that they're going to need to do to scan them, make sure everything's working. Beside us is our service shop, but we'll get into that one later. Let's go in, we'll say hi to people real quick. I'm going to take you into the shop and show you exactly what they do in here. So when you come in, you're going to meet Fallon. She's the head receptionist here. She will take all of your information. She'll find Todd for you, but Todd's camera shy, so we're not going to introduce you to him today. Let's go into the shop and show you where they work, everything there. So like I said, first thing you're going to see is a Challenger. But if you look beside, we've got a Porsche. Maybe look beside that, we've got a Viper. If you turn your head over here, we've got one of our classics that probably just needs a little touch up before we can actually sell it to you guys, because we want those things to be as good as possible. So we've got Cherokee over on the side, a bunch of other different vehicles. So like I said, they will fix anything that they have for you. Any vehicle you drive, we can take care of it. Like I said, we got some techs over here working in the back. Looks like, now I'm not a body mechanic or anything like that, but if I had to guess, he's working on a front bumper maybe. Got another guy over here. Look at that. That new Destroyer gray color for the Challenger. Yeah, he's fixing one of those. Let's take a quick look over here. A few more cars. Now I know there's one covered up back here. I know it's a Ferrari. We're getting it fixed up. It's gonna be for sale for sure, or it's already sold. I can't even remember. Now, back here, you're gonna see one of the paint booths. So this is what they're gonna use when they paint like whole car stuff like that. They're gonna put it in there, they're gonna bake it, they're gonna do everything to make sure that it's good. Also a water spot there, watch your step. Now in the back, we're going to find where they do all the mixing and the like paint. So because it's such a, I guess they say it's a process. Now, I'm not a body guy like I said, so I don't exactly know what goes on there, but right in here, you're gonna see the computer that they use generates all the codes to get all of the paints. They got the mixing charts, they've got everything that they're gonna need. So these guys will take everything under warranty, they'll coordinate it with service so that you guys don't have to do anything. They take care, they'll talk to the service guys, they'll get all the body work done, they'll get any recalls done, they'll take any of that. So if you guys got any questions, I mean Todd Shuey, like I said, is camera shy, but I'll coordinate with him. Any questions, comment below. I'll talk to him, I'll get you the answers. Or you can reach us at 780-410-4100. Thanks guys.